Hey everybody, this is Michael Morrow, your friendly neighborhood financial well-being coach. It's good to see everyone online again who's tuned in. I want to just update everyone what's been going on. We've helped so many people in credit restoration, paying off their debt, helping them understand how to manage debt versus making debt, how to leverage debt versus living in debt. And one thing I want to thank everyone for is the open mind to come out and see what's really going on, to come out to our free money management and credit counseling classes. Those individuals say, hey, you know what? There's nothing wrong with listening. There's nothing wrong with seeing what it's all about. Thank you so much. And then I meet or contact some other people and say, hey, I heard about your classes, your sessions, your workshops. That's great. But you know what? When I get my stuff together, then I'll come out and see you. Then I started thinking about it. I said, are you serious? Do you go to the doctor when you are feeling well? I mean, most of you probably don't. It's when something goes wrong. I know many of you have your checkups, and that's great. But when you're bleeding out, you're limping, and you're suffocating, and you say, well, I'll go see a doctor when I get better. That's the perfect time to see the doctor, because you need help. And a lot of people, especially us men, I had to go through it myself, need help. I'm so glad for the men who've come to my class so far with their wives or their girlfriends, or just come out themselves to see what they can do to improve their credit score, what they can do to improve their way of living, to know what they did not know before. I was in the same predicament, and because I decided to humble myself down and see what it's all about, now we're able to make the leap into financial freedom. So I want to thank everyone once again who's come out and are going to come out. Invite your friends and family. I want to thank my team who's come together to help other people get their credit right. In addition to that, show people how to live life like they're supposed to live, in that level of financial dignity. Hey, this is Michael Morrow. If you want to connect with me in any of my classes, check out the link below, or check out on the screen where to go. Type in my name and then see where I'm going to be at next. All right. Thank you everyone for your time. This is Michael Morrow, your financial well-being coach. I'll catch you on the flip side of financial dignity.